Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Bicycle sharing systems allow users to rent a bicycle at one location within a city and return it to any other designated location in that city, which can cause serious problems of bicycle supply and user demand within the city's system. Tohru Ikechukyi uses open source data and statistical modeling to identify when a high number of users making one-way trips is likely to leave some locations within the system blank, bicycles, and other areas with insufficient supply. So key part of this sentence is that this word in the blank here must be a contrast of one that highlights an insufficient supply. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Susceptible to. This is incorrect because susceptible to can mean vulnerable to, but this does not make sense in the context of the text because there's nothing in the text that suggests that the system would be vulnerable to bikes or susceptible to bicycles. So A is incorrect. B. Contingent on. This is incorrect because contingent on can mean dependent on, but this, like A, doesn't make sense in the context of the text, where it would say to leave some locations within the system dependent on bicycles and others areas with insufficient supply. So because this does not make sense, B is incorrect. C. Saturated with. This seems to be the correct answer because saturated with would imply completely or thoroughly contained with bikes. And this is a contrast to insufficient supply, so saturated with would correctly fill in this blank. And therefore C seems to be the correct answer. D. Depleted of. This is incorrect because the word that best fits this blank was one that would highlight an opposite or even antonym of insufficient supply, but depleted of is a synonym to insufficient supply, so this would not make sense here, and therefore D is incorrect. And the correct answer is C.